Hi everyone, this is Ezra Muskun and this is my instructional design plan. The topic for this instructional design plan is teaching personal finance to library patrons. Course description. The name of this course is Personal Financial Management. In this course, learners will learn how to manage their money. Personal finance is defined as the management of money and financial decisions for an individual or family. Financial management includes budgeting, debt management, various insurance, retirement planning, and investment. Information about the learners. Who are the learners? The prospective learners are adult library users who are interested in sharpening their personal financial management knowledge. Why take this course? Learners will be rewarded once they learn the skills to manage their money. Additional reward include learners' satisfaction in achieving a lifelong lesson or skill. Learners have a more specific motivation to learn the skills taught in this course. The main reward for this course is learners will be rewarded by gaining knowledge-based skill sets, specifically the ability to manage their finance strategically. Learners prerequisite. Potential learners strive to learn basic financial management. Thus, the presumption is that they are proficient in English and basic computer skills, as they will have to read and take notes during the course of the unit and visit websites and blogs. Who will teach this course? The best person to teach this class is a person who has some experience teaching adult library users. Therefore, a librarian would be the right person to teach this class. Course objectives. Course objectives is to provide a practical framework for managing personal finance. Therefore, the goal of this course is to educate learners about personal financial management so that they learn the basics of financial skills to be able to make sound financial decisions, and educate the learners the ability and confidence to tackle common financial management. So the two main objectives of this course are introduce learners to basic financial management and provide learners to resources so that they help themselves to successfully manage their money. Learning outcomes. This course is unique because the objective is to teach lifelong lessons to public library patrons. Therefore, the measurement of expected learning outcomes will be introspective. That is, the learning will be reflected upon their own learning. That is, the learners will reflect upon their own learning experience. Accordingly, to help do the self-assessment, these learning outcomes are tailored to the above demographic characteristics. Hence, upon successful completion of this course, learners will be able to construct and manage personal household budget, compare and construct an appropriate credit card and debt management plan, analyze and improve credit card score, design a saving plan, compare between renting or home buying, craft personalized income tax strategy, design an investment plan using appropriate investment instruments and vehicles, design insurance plan, whether it's auto, home, or renters or disability, design a health insurance plan in accordance with the new federal law or state law, design retirement planning. Instructional materials. The instructional material is designed to help adult library users. Therefore, this instructional material for this course is based on consideration of learning objectives and learners, although This course is tailored to adult learners as they have busy lives, so the course materials are designed to facilitate their busy schedule. So the reading materials for this course are going to include books, articles, website, etc., blogs, and here are some additional resources, websites, and podcasts. And here is the assessment and evaluation of the course. Upon reflecting the survey, I will make adjustment to improve the instructional design. Thank you.